Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize C1 button on SONY ZV-E10 II. First of all, switch on the camera. After that, open menu by clicking the menu button. Then scroll left to the sidebar, scroll down to setup. Here in setup, we're gonna have to scroll to third option, which is operation customize. And here, go to custom key setting. Okay, so we have 3 keys here. So C1, which is right here, function key, and then C, these two function keys, and we can adjust their functions by selecting the function tab and selecting the specific function that we want to assign to this custom key. So in our case, we are adjusting the function keys custom function. So for example, we can make it switch monitor flip display, and right now this this button performs this function. And so yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.